I bought the ultimate K-swap radiator. Is it the ultimate? I guess we'll find out when I install it. But just looking at it, I actually like it because it comes with a fan. But depending on how much you spend, you might not get this fan. So it comes with adapters that goes on, and then you could switch from AN fittings or the hose fittings. So you just screw right on. So far, it looks good. I mean, compared to the half radiator that we have usually come in our EKs, this is definitely an upgrade. So when you're going in track, full radiator, definitely improvement. So let's go install it. So after installing this radiator, was it the ultimate K-swap radiator? This car has a different opinion. So I decided to go all out and give it AC, power steering, and heater, and that pretty much gave me no room in front. And this radiator, it is the ultimate if you don't have AC, but since I have AC lines on the on the left side, I actually had to buy brackets made for this car, and you could get that on the internet. And all you do is cut the old brackets, screw it on, and then place this in. And then this radiator hose was also special. You actually had to buy one that went under this intake. So that was hard to bleed, but once it's done, everything fits perfectly. You're better off just finding a radiator that fits like whatever size you want. Get the height, get the length, and then get the brackets welded on. You're good. But since I already bought the ultimate K-slot radiator, this works fine. If I were to do it again, I recommend just either getting a half radiator that fits so you don't have to cut the old brackets, or you could just not have any AC. But since we're bougie and we like AC in this hot California heat, I got AC.